reforming the government delivery system through the direct benefit transfer scheme is a progressive step, but it has its limitations too. Comment. So, when I was doing my post-graduation course in Indian School of Public Policy, I had done a project on Pradhan Mantri Matru Vandana Yojana, and वहाँ पर I had learned about DBT in detail. So I used that knowledge plus my existing UPSC knowledge to frame an answer. तो यहाँ पर I just want to tell you what you could do different is, तो आप introduce DBT को जनरली करोगे कि हाउ DBT was brought in 2013 and this means giving direct benefit and it removes any intermediaries that exist. So आप intermediaries के बारे में mention करोगे. And after that, what I had drawn, like I had a figure in mind because I knew how the system works, and I had, I think, taken the center here. उसके बाद beneficiary. I think यहाँ पर स्टेट लिया था एंड देन इसमें ये जो ट्रांजैक्शंस होते हैं डीबीटी के, ये पीएफएमएस, एक पब्लिक फाइनेंशियल मैनेजमेंट सिस्टम जो है उसके थ्रू होते हैं. आई थिंक आई हैड मेंशन पीएफएमएस यहाँ पर, एंड यहाँ पर मैंने बैंक्स को मेंशन किया था. राइट, आप इसमें मैंने पूरा लिंकेज दिखाया था कि हाउ ऑल ऑफ दीज कोर्स आर कनेक्टेड एंड हाउ दिस लिंकेज होता है पूरा. So this is how a structure I had drawn, and एक दो keywords यहाँ पर लिख दिए थे कि state जो है into bank accounts या इस टाइप के कुछ key features लिख दिए थे जो कि एक transition explain कर रहे थे. But I think this must have really added value to my point because एक ये अच्छा representation है to tell how DBT mechanism works, and the question is talking about efficient delivery. So you have to talk what is a delivery mechanism, like how is the money moving from the center to the citizen. तो ये आप वो ले सकते हैं. बाकी तो जो जनरल क्वेश्चन आपको स्ट्रक्चर करना है आप ऐसे ही करोगे. Just one more point, that mention a lot of examples, Pradhan and from all segments, like take all the dimensions in point, mention Pradhan Mantri Kisan Yojana, mention Matru Vandana Yojana, health benefit, education में अगर कोई state specific scheme है आप वो mention करें. तो बहुत सारे एग्जाम्पल्स आप प्रूव कर सकते हो उसके थ्रू एफिशिएंट डिलीवरी. एंड नेगेटिव्स में डिजिटल डिवाइड तो एक है ही नेगेटिव कि नॉट एवरीबडी इज कनेक्टेड टू द इंटरनेट, every beneficiary. But other than that, please remember the systemic negatives also and mention them also कि how there is a delay in payment. जैसे कि आंगनवाड़ी स्कीम है तो आंगनवाड़ी वर्कर्स को बहुत डिलेड पेमेंट मिलता है एंड फॉर 6 months their salaries are not given because of this DBT structure. And because the money is coming directly from center, so the Anganwadi workers and their point of contact is state, so they cannot question the state also because center is sending the money. तो ये चीजें आप लिख सकते हैं. Then you can write that the objective was to remove intermediaries, but probably the objective has not been fulfilled because still there are online centers जिनके through beneficiaries approach करते हैं schemes को. So ऐसे करके then you can conclude through a way forward for this question.